Ever needed to get paid back for that dinner or split a bill easily? Remitly can help you do just that by letting you send a payment request link. First things first, open your Remitly app on your smartphone. You'll need to be logged into your account to proceed. On the main screen, tap on the Send Money option. This is your gateway to initiating any transfer or request. Now, you'll select the country you want to receive money from and enter the amount you're requesting. Don't worry. You'll specify it's a request in the next step. Look for an option that says Request Money or Create a Payment Link. It might be a prominent button or a smaller option within the transfer setup. Tap on it. This is where you personalize your request. You can add a note or memo to remind the sender what the payment is for, like dinner split or rent contribution. Remitly will then generate a unique payment request link. For you, you'll see a Copy Link button right there. Tap it to copy the link to your phone's clipboard. Now, open your preferred messaging app, email, or social media platform, paste the copied link into a message, and send it to the person you're requesting money from. Once they receive the link, they can tap on it to be directed to a secure page to complete the payment to you quickly and easily through Remitly. It's that simple.